Good morning, welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, August 27th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and are we ready for the weekend? Well, if you like indoor activities, like Monopoly, perhaps watching a movie, then this is going to be a great weekend. If you're looking to go to the beach, well, okay, so not the best weekend, but still, I'm sure some people will try nonetheless. Right now, the best way to describe the atmosphere is muggy, uncomfortable, disgusting out. That's pretty much the themes I've seen on Twitter describing this atmospheric conditions this morning. Temperatures throughout the region range from the lower to mid-70s and higher elevations, mid-70s to lower 80s as you head towards the coast. With the dew points already in the mid-70s, it just feels really humid out there, right? Because it is. And it's also led to some areas of fog, reducing visibility below a mile over southern New Jersey, and definitely one of those muggy mornings. Now, on our wind map, we have several boundaries set up around the region. Yesterday's cold front's now a trough that is lingering around the region. You can see with the winds converging here. And we have another cold front off to our northwest that's going to be dropping south as a high-pressure system strengthens over northern New England and basically supports what we call a backdoor cold front over the region. You can see that very nicely here on our surface conditions. You can see our stationary front, not much in the way of precipitation throughout the region just yet, but look for those showers and thunderstorms to really start to organize later this afternoon and this evening, and some of those thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Now, with this environment in place, you have the maritime air mass building south and this tropical air mass in place. It's going to lead to a lot of rainfall. Now, not everyone's going to see this rainfall, but because of the conditions that are in place, when these scattered showers and thunderstorms develop, they're going to be capable of some enhanced rainfall rates, and that could lead to some areas getting 3 inches of rain, while other areas, just to the west or north, will end up with less than a quarter of an inch of rain through the weekend. So it's going to be a hit and miss type scenario, but wherever it gets hit, it's going to get hit with a lot of rain. So when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see our Bermuda High building. You can see our cold front approaching from the northwest. And then you might notice this down here. This is Tropical Storm Ida. And Ida has been strengthening all morning. When I started forecasting this morning at 3 a.m., we had winds of Ida at 40 miles per hour. At 5 a.m. it was 45 miles per hour. And now at the 8 a.m. update, it is now at 60 miles per hour. I think you get the theme here. Ida is strengthening at a steady rate. The convection is right around the low-level center. It's heading towards western Cuba, and once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, is expected to rapidly intensify. When you take a look at the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center, you can see Ida is going to be crossing Cuba basically tonight. And then tomorrow, it have the potential to rapidly intensify to a hurricane, potentially a major hurricane, Category 3, and make a landfall around the central or eastern Louisiana coast. We'll watch to see how this evolves. But if you have any friends and family down here, I would suggest that they evacuate now, like right now. Like pause this video, call them up, and get them out of there, because this is going to be a very nasty situation from basically Mississippi, I'd even include Alabama, all the way through the Texas coast here, because you're going to be dealing with storm surge, a nasty one at that, and this storm is just going to be plowing right into Louisiana. So unfortunately, this looks like a dangerous situation. Hopefully it doesn't get as strong as what is expected, but the atmospheric environment is such that if you were going to try to create an environment where you have a rapidly intensifying hurricane, this environment that's in place in the Gulf of Mexico would essentially be it. So just use some caution. If you have any friends and family out there, get them out of there. And then on Wednesday, we see that the remnants of this storm will be heading up into the Tennessee River Valley, and then we'll watch to see how far north it gets for the end of the week for our neck of the woods, with the potential for some remnant rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding. So let's dive into the rest of our forecast here for the region, and right here. Okay, so we have our cold front that's going to be dropping south, and that's going to lead to periods of showers and thunderstorms as we head towards the evening hours. Some of these thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours. Look for high temperatures ranging from the mid-80s to lower 90s, and also a heat index pushing into the mid-90s to lower 100s ahead of these showers and thunderstorms. This evening, the evening rush hour is not going to be pretty, with these thunderstorms capable of intense downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Tonight into tomorrow, those showers continue. Look for lows in the mid-60s to lower 70s. For Saturday afternoon, scattered showers with heavy downpours are expected throughout the region. It's going to be hit and miss, but again, if you get hit with one of these showers, it's going to be like walking into a waterfall. So just use some caution. If you have outdoor plans and you really don't want to cancel them, then just be prepared for some rainfall and a trusty umbrella. Look for high temperatures only in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday, those showers continue with that frontal boundary hanging around. Again, not a complete washout, but not very favorable for outdoor activities. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s. On Monday, a strong cold front will follow in the afternoon and evening with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows, high temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s, possibly a few upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley ahead of this cold front if we get enough sunshine, but that would also translate to the potential for a line of severe thunderstorms, so kind of a mix in between there. Monday night into Tuesday, that cold front drops south with lingering showers continuing on, stalling somewhere around southern New Jersey and the Delmarva Peninsula. So as you head up towards the New York City Metro and the interior, look for clearing skies. As you head down towards southern New Jersey, look for lingering showers on Tuesday with low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s. On Wednesday, that cold front continues to sink south, but then we watch the remnants of Ida approaching, so look for increasing cloud cover with scattered showers developing. Some of those showers will be capable of heavy downpours. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid 70s to lower 80s throughout the region. Thursday, the remnants moves through. Again, we'll have to watch to see just how far north it gets, but wherever it goes, there will be a threat for scattered showers throughout the region. It looks like right now, towards southern New Jersey, you have a better potential for very heavy rainfall. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. And then on Friday, next Friday, you have high pressure building in with lingering showers in the morning, scattered cloud cover, and much lower humidity in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, high temperatures only in the upper 70s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful weekend, and as always, stay safe out there.